Hey guys, this is Charlie Lodds here today, and I am doing a video of some of my fans again. And part of this is because it is National Ceiling Fan Day, and I wanted to wish that to everybody, including Zapping Hero, Cole Semenko fans, and other good stuff. And that's what I wanted to shout out in this video, because they all made videos for National Ceiling Fan Day. Yeah, and I'll be starting with my Hunter Stratford Ceiling Fan. Yeah, we'll turn it on low. It's set in reverse. This fall is like 4 or 5 days from now, set to low, and eventually this weekend I'll flip the blades on it. I've been saying that for a while. I don't know when I'm getting the Hunter Infinities. If I don't get those, I'm probably gonna get a Harbor Beast. And you guys are probably thinking like, what? I know, guys. Or I might get a new Hunter. Or just stick with this. Yeah. I need to replace this. There it is. I'll speed it up just so you guys can see when it's like going faster. Making some funny sounds. I'm hearing a weird clicking noise. Sounds like it's a light bulb. Wobbles a little bit. Yep. I'm pretty sure it's set. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's set low. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this fan. I'll turn it back to low now. Medium on the wall control. It doesn't make noise. Now low. Or I may get like a Quorum. If you guys think a Quorum rainbow pinwheel would be good. Yeah, so there's my Blizzard up there. And this is set for reverse. So thank you guys for watching. And I hopefully can get a desk fan for my grandparents and get a new ceiling fan for my room, because my grandparents have one. Maybe I'll see if I can get the NASA. Probably not. The chances of that on the scale of 1 to 10 are 2. It's probably a 1. But yeah guys, so that's it. And I hope you enjoyed watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.